In this video, we will cover prime factorization. Prime factorization is a useful algorithm that is used in finding the greatest common factor, the least common multiple, simplification of fractions, and addition and subtraction on fractions. To start, first get your number and try to divide it by the smallest prime, in this case 2. When you divide by 2, you end up with 18, and then we do the same thing. 18 divided by 2 gives us 9, and then we try to divide 9 by 2, but we can't. So we divide by the next smallest prime, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Once you only have primes all the way at the bottom, you write down your 2 primes, or however many primes you may have, and then you count how many you have. You have 2 2's, so I put that as an exponent, and I have 2 3's, put that as an exponent. And there is your prime factorization. A different technique for finding prime factors is the factorization table. Start off with your number, and just as in the prime factorization tree, write down the smallest prime you can think of. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Can't divide 9 by 2, so I try the next number, 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And there I have, again, my prime factors. The prime factorization of 36 is, again, 2 squared times 3 squared. One thing to keep in mind when you're prime factorizing is to make sure you know your primes. For the GKE math, you'll rarely need to go beyond the first few. When factorizing or doing any other things that require factorization of numbers, always start with 2, then once you can't divide by 2, go to 3, then to 5, and so on.